When you coming back? When you come back home? Oh, okay. Well, I was trying to see if you're going to Thriller with me, motherfucker. The Thriller downtown. This fucking square. The 18th. Yeah. But it's okay. No, you know. Fucking hot bitches. They're for 7 brew and they're jumping up and down and shit. And I don't have an air horn, so all I have is the fucking beep 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 beep. And it made them jump up and down more. It was funny. They jumped up and down more the more I beeped.